You know that gorgeous, luxurious material everyone loves? Yeah, marbles. Despite its stunning looks, people still hesitate to bring marble home. But why? You know, it's like falling in love with that perfect someone, but then suddenly doubts creep in. Is marble too high maintenance? Will it break the bank? What if it gets stained? I'm here to break down all the reasons behind these hesitations. Durability concerns. People worry that marble is too delicate and prone to damage. They think it will scratch, chip, or crack easily. But no, marble's not as fragile as you think. With a little care and cleaning, it will easily withstand daily wear and tear. Well, haven't you seen the Victoria Memorial and the Taj Mahal? Standing tall through generations in acid rain and pollution. High maintenance. People imagine having to polish it every week or deal with etching. But honestly, a simple cleaning routine and occasional sealing can keep marble looking fabulous. Cost. Just like any other luxury item, marble are pricey, especially the high quality exotic varieties. But think of marble as an asset. It's like buying a designer handbag, but way more well worth it. So what's holding you back? Design trends? Marble is just timeless. Perfectionism. Every marble slab is absolutely unique, but never imperfect. Rumors and myths? Well, with right information and knowledge, you'll surely have the counters in no time. So, if you are considering marble, weigh the pros, research different types, and talk to experts. You might find that marble's unique beauty is worth every single penny. Plus, marble is more than just a material, it's an experience. What do you think? Have any marble experiences or concerns? Let's catch up in the comment section.